In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to change country on Instagram. Let's get started. First, you can change your phone's recent settings by opening your device settings. Now go to General. Scroll down and navigate to the option Language and Region. Click on Region. From the list of countries, you can select the one that you want to set. Next, launch your Instagram app. Now navigate to your profile page. Once you're over here, click on three bars given at the top right. Now scroll down and head over to the option Account Type and Tools. Now select the option Switch to Professional Account. After that, click on Next. Now select any of these options given over here and click on Switch to Professional Account. Select the option Business and click on Next. Now you will need to provide these details over here. Add your business address including country, city and postal code. With this, your country will be updated on Instagram account. So that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can change your country on Instagram app. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.